Back this evening. No trade today, no trade yesterday. See, this is real trading. You know, a lot of times you watch them streamers. First of all, the accounts are fake, so they don't mind just taking trades. But my account not fake. I mind taking trades. If I don't think I'm gonna make no money, I'm not trying to take no trade. And today, exactly what happened. The market opened. We went straight down. I need a little up and down movement to try to get my drawn liquidity or sweep or something. But today, when we open right here at 9:30, so I was looking for maybe we would go up and hit this. Hopefully, go up, hit this, then come back down. Like we would have came up, hit this, and then drop. Would have been better. But when we opened, we just went straight down. I never had a chance to get in. Never had a setup. And plus, I really don't like trading in the first 15 minutes, to be honest. Um, so today was just to sit on your hands and look at the market and think. So what I did think I would get a trade maybe on a continuation. So this was half of the drawdown, half of the down move. So a lot of times we would come back, and that's probably why they did this to trick people. See that right there? I used to jump in on that. Oh man, we going down. We get that. We used to get that. That's a sweep. That's what people call it, sweep. So you would get that, and this was me. I jump in. I get that. I just jump in, and look at that. He went right there, come back up, take people out. Didn't take me out because I never got in. But anyway, so and then I thought maybe we would get a continuation trade. Like I said, you stick with me long enough, you learn all the lingo that I use. But so on the 15-minute, a continuation trade is this. This is what you call a continuation. So the market dropped hard a lot of times because of trending markets. A lot of times when it dropped this hard, you come back to that 50% and you can go back down. But anyway, a lot of times you can mark this 15-minute. See this 15-minute and this 15-minute matchup, and you go back down to a 1 minute, and you hope to get a setup. And the setup is just inverse fair value gap. And then you have to look at the lower time frames to make sure there's nothing in your way stopping you. But I was hoping we would come back into here and do this right here, this right here, and that right there, and that would have been my SMT because this goes to here and this would have to come down. But you see, you never got a setup right there. But I'm not gonna take that. First of all, 12:08. I'm out the market at 12:08. I trade 11:30, 12. A lot of times 11:30, but to 12. So I'm out the market. But I don't think I would have got in no way because look, first of all, I wouldn't have got in on the ES because I've been trading into a bullish 4-hour fair value gap. And if you look at the in Q, see all these little fair value gaps? I'm not gonna get in there with all them little 1 minute fair value gaps right there. I'm just not gonna get in it. So that was my trade. That was my today just looking, which a lot of times like I said before, I try to take 1 to 3 trades a week. I know last week I took a lot of trades, but hey, it was set up. But that's the trades for the day. That's 2 days, no trades. I feel good after no trades because I want to get to the point to where it's 1 to 2 trades a week. That means you can sit there and wait on the right trade. You can max risk. 1 or 2 trades a week. Less stress on you. Also, I mean, you take a bunch of trades. I mean, at the end of the day, you stressed out. Either happy or you sad because you took a bunch of losses, or you didn't took a bunch of wins. You didn't broke even or took a win. But if you take 5 trades, you most likely you took 5 wins. But if you have, kudos to you. But not me. I've been doing this long enough to know I don't need to take no bunch of trades. The more I take, the more I lose. So that's it for today.